according to the US Constitution, which I told you guys is the highest law of United States of America, we have this principle called the separation of powers. Now, according to this principle, US government is divided into three branches. Now, the first branch is what we call the legislative branch. And you guys can see here in this illustration of the US Congress House, right? This branch is responsible for making laws. Primarily, it's responsible for coming up with new laws. In this branch, we have the US Congress, and the US Congress is divided into two houses. The first is Senate. In the Senate, we have a total of 100 senators. Why 100? Because we have two per state. And how many states do we have in the US, guys?
50 states.
50 states. So 50 times 2, 100 senators in total. And the second house is the House of Representatives. Now we have a total of 435 representatives. Now, unlike senators, it's not equal for every state. Now, states, it's based on each state's population. What that means is that states with higher population, like California, will have more representatives. States with lower population, like Maryland, for example, will have less representatives compared to California. Now, that's our first branch. The next, as I like to call it, the Congress. When I think of legislative branch, I instantly tell myself Congress. Easy way to remember.